You know, I don't know if I ever introduced myself. My name's Chris. This is the In the Shop channel. Some of you guys are maybe subscribed to my other channel over there, Ivan Palmy. That's a log cabin I'm doing. And this one is just all my mechanical stuff, tool reviews, how to use tools, tips, tricks, and my butchery. I'm a butcher. Not really, you know, I don't do everything perfect, but I don't do everything, but I do as much as I can here in my shop. And then I got a satellite shop. And my partner in crime is Dirt Bike Mike. He's Mike Kobani across the street. You'll see us usually working together. I'm surprised he's not over here right now, but this is the channel. This is what I do. I hope you guys enjoy the show. We're working on 10 subscribers. So yeah, you can hit that subscribe button. Make me feel, you know, it's not going to help me out, but it'll make me feel better about all my junk. You know, I'd be doing it anyways. I just like to do the videos. They're kind of fun. But anyways, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Okay, it arrived. Do a little unboxing. I also got two of these things, and that feels pretty freaking harsh. So I don't know. It says it doesn't take metal off, so we'll see. But here it is. Let me get it unboxed. We'll pull it out and take a look at it. Okay, it says it quickly removes paint, rust, and more. Surface conditioned metals, 1,000 to 3,700 RPM, variable speed, powerful 9-amp motor, 3-year warranty. And that's what it includes, all that stuff. Here she is, right here. Coming out. Looks pretty awesome. Okay. Wow, it's got a real soft pad on there. And there's that. Whoa, whoa, hey. Should I eat this? Oh, it says don't eat, never mind. Okay. Here's the instructions. Cute, won't need those. I'm sure there's a button you push on here. So easy, a caveman. Oh, here it is right here. Look at that. Okay, so we'll be getting up on that here pretty soon on the old truck project. The Eastwood Contour SCT. Okay, looks like I got the corner turned on this project. It's not, you see it's a little wonky, but that's okay. A little tapping and a little filling and we'll get it right where we need it. Exciting. This thing ain't gonna leak when I'm done, I'll tell you that. So I got some stuff cut out. This one here I'm going to try to make with the smaller ones. I think I had a little bit over an inch on the other ones, but you can see we're ready to, once the stuff dries inside, I'll be ready to clean this area up with my handy dandy surface conditioner. That thing's pretty badass. It makes quick work of pulling the paint and the stuff off and doesn't seem to make too much of a mess. It's weird because the dust is different. It's not like dusty like doing it with the other tool, but you can see we're almost ready to pull the windshield out. I got quite a bit of welding there. We're getting there. We're getting there.